Hello, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to bake mixed berry muffins. The ingredients that you will need are flour, vegetable oil, egg, vanilla, salt, baking powder, granulated sugar, coconut milk, and frozen mixed berries. Start by lining the muffin pan with muffin liners. Then preheat the oven to 400° Fahrenheit. Using a small bowl, pour the frozen mixed berries, then add a tablespoon of flour. Mix and make sure the berries are well coated with flour. Then set aside. Using a stand mixer, pour the 1½ cup of flour. Baking powder, sugar, and salt. Then add the vegetable oil, the coconut milk, the egg, and lastly, you'll add the vanilla. Mix this under low setting and try to avoid over-mixing the batter. Scrape the remaining batter from the mixer attachment. Then remove the mixing bowl from the stand mixer and add the frozen berries. Use a spatula and fold the berries until well incorporated with the batter. Since the batter is thick, you can use a spoon to scoop the batter in the lined muffin pan. Sprinkle each muffin with 1/4 teaspoon granulated sugar. Then bake the mixed berry muffin for 15 to 18 minutes at 400° Fahrenheit. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!